Go.
Jersey, how you guys doing? Team GSP in the building. Guys, we are having the time of our lives. We're here with over 4,000 World Ventures people. We are having a freaking blast. We're going out, we're learning, we're increasing our mindset. And check this out, we're live here from Vegas. If you could take a look at the hotel that we were staying in, the Paris Hotel right behind us. The Eiffel Tower, not the real Eiffel Tower, to be mistaken, in Paris, but it is a beautiful replica of the Eiffel Tower over there. And as you can see, we're just having the time of our life. There's jacuzzis, pools, women, men. We're having parties. We're doing a good thing. And I want to introduce you to my friend Vlad. And let me tell you about Vlad. This guy is a freaking rock star. He comes all the way from Slovenia. He brought his team over here. And I'm going to let him tell his story, but he's one of the leaders out of Slovenia. Let me tell you something, guys. This wouldn't have been able to be possible unless I made a decision to come to this event. Unless I made a decision to pay for the airfare, to pay for the hotel, to pay for the food, to increase my mindset, because I'm serious about this business. And what I'm trying to say, guys, is you got to be serious about your business. And if you're serious about your business, you'll come to these events. You treat it like a hobby, it'll pay you like a hobby. But I'm gonna let Vlad. This is a big dog over there in Slovenia. I met him. We're rooming together. We're partying, learning together, increasing our mindset. We're just getting this entrepreneurship, our mindsets together. So I'm gonna have Vlad introduce himself and kind of tell. But just a little bit about Vlad. He had 30-30 in 30 days. Residual income in 30 days. BMW qualified. But I'm gonna let him tell the story. This guy is the man. Pay attention, because what he's about to say is about to blow your mind.
Jersey, what's up? Listen up, there is one thing you should know. This guy is awesome. I never met someone that has so good skills that didn't use yet, has full potential, but you know what? I'm gonna tell you something about our story. We hit very hard, we work every day. I couldn't believe that happened 30-30 BMW, everything in the first month, but you know what? What takes us there, it's our posture. We have attitude towards this job that we do, or this lifestyle that we do. It is next. We're like electricity. It is not question, are you gonna enroll with us? It is question, are you gonna be in the first circle of people that earns money, living the lives of their dreams, or are you gonna be at the last circle when everybody gotta go somewhere to World Ventures? That's the only question possible. I'm sorry my English is not that great. Next time I'm gonna tell you more, but you know what? You gotta see me. You gotta come to events. You gotta be here.
And let me ask you a question, Vlad. Here's the deal. Tell me about what you said about Slovenia and Serbia, about the salary and the membership.
The thing is, you really guys don't know how you're fortunate, and you don't know, generally, don't take me wrong, but you know, to appreciate the life standard that you got, because in my country there is a problem, because 360 bucks is the amount that a guy is paid, average guy is paid for a month of work, and even less. So can you imagine willingness to change something of those people that enroll, of those people that made the decision? The thing is, you're in great comfort zone and you don't know what you got. So let me tell you something, hold up to this guy. His name is Victor. He's my very, very good friend and my roommate. We party hard. We had a great time, and I hope to see you at next event. You gotta be on the next event. You gotta be.
And here's the deal, guys. He just said 365 is the average man's salary in his country. So, and if he could hit 30-30 in a month, we're in one of the richest countries in the world. Yeah, the whole world is in a bad economic time right now, but 365 is a month's salary in this country, and they're killing it over there. So 365 should be cake for us. So let's do this, get to the next event. We have a Super Saturday coming up in a few weeks with Dave Uloa. The information is out. We have another Super Saturday in about a month. I mean, actually a regional in about a month. Carlos Rogers will be in New York and John Hirahold in New Jersey. And then Millionaire Boot Camp is coming to Kansas City. I will be there. Register now. Go to your events tab in your back office. But guys, be at these events. If you take it serious, if you come to the events, there is no way you can fail if you apply yourself. So we're just going to say bye. And from one last time, guys.
And you know what? We play hard, but we work hard. So I want the same thing for you guys. I want to see you here enjoying the lifestyle. We gotta move from all the girls that are there Don't tell to my girlfriend, but they're kind of focus breaker. So we wanna give attention to you, work with you, and build something that the world haven't seen yet.
You work harder, you play harder.
Play harder.
Play harder. So Jersey, I'll see you in a few weeks. Let's kill this thing. We are gonna be unstoppable. Take care, guys.
Jersey.